How to use HubSpot as a CRM, HubSpot tutorial for beginners. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another great video, and in this video we're going to be discussing about HubSpot, how you can use it as a CRM or a customer relationship management. So basically, HubSpot is a powerful tool that can help you manage your customer relationships more effectively, and in detail, we will cover the basics of HubSpot and guide you through the process of setting it up and using it. So, first of all, getting started with HubSpot. Firstly, we obviously need to create an account. So we're going to go and click on Get Free CRM. Okay. Now, once you click on Get Free CRM, it's going to say create your free account. So I'm just going to enter my name. Okay. Once I've done that, we're going to enter an email address. I'm going to be using a temp mail for now, but if you're doing this for the long run, please use your proper email. So just going to put in the temp mail, click on next. Okay. It asks what industry you are in. Okay, you can add the engineering or something like that. Okay, I'm going to go with mechanical industrial engineering. What is your job role? I'm going to go with vice president. Okay, and then I'm going to click on next. Company name, just give it anything. I'm going to just skim through these settings. These aren't pretty important. So now it says check your email to verify. So we're going to come here, and as you can see, welcome to Basecamp. Now, if you scroll down, it's going to send us a verification code. Okay. Now, if you don't see a verification code, what you're going to do is you're just going to wait for it to load up real quick. And if you still don't get it, you can just click on refresh. Okay. No biggie. Just wait for it to keep on loading. And once it's loaded, obviously, you're going to get it. So 406577. So 406577. And once that is done, we're going to click on verify email. And there we go. Now we're just going to enter a good strong password. So let me do that real quick. And there you have it. And once you do that, you're going to click on next. Where would you like your data to be hosted? It could be either the US or the EU. I'm going to go with the US. I'm going to click on create account. And once I create account, it's going to say prepare an account. Let's personalize your experience. And here we are. Which one of these sounds most like you? I've never used a CRM before. I'm new to HubSpot, but I've used CRM. I know my way around HubSpot. So I'm going to go with this. What would you like to do with your HubSpot first of all? So track your deals in one place, send marketing emails to potential customers, or create a set of high-performing sales tools. I'm going to do this. Click on Get Started. Now, once that happens, we're going to be led over here. Okay? Now, I'm going to go with skip the setup. Okay? Now, here we are, basically. So, now that we've created an account, we can set up our CRM. This involves adding our contacts, companies, and deals. HubSpot also allows you to track your customer interactions, such as emails and phone calls. You're probably wondering how is one supposed to do that. So first of all, you're going to go in contacts, okay? Now once you go in contacts over here, you can add your contacts pretty easily. You just come here, click on create contact or import, and you can import using a CSV or an Excel file. You can also create it by just adding different types of information or data, okay? Then you can also add companies. Okay, now again, go in contacts, click on companies. And once you click on companies, you can again import companies through your CSV or Excel file, and you can also create a company if you want to. So yeah, pretty basic and easy stuff till now, isn't it? And then we can also do customer interactions. So to do customer interactions, you can work around with either the inbox or just go on calls. And once you go on calls, you can basically interact with all your customers in different ways. So now that we've discussed about that, let's discuss about customizing our HubSpot CRM. So one of the great things about HubSpot is its flexibility. You can customize your CRM to meet your specific needs. This involves adding custom fields, creating new pipelines, and setting up workflows. So how are you going to do that? So to do that, basically what we're going to do is, again, you can set it up accordingly. Now you can either choose a different hub if you want to, or just go on marketing. And once you go on marketing here, you obviously gonna choose whatever tool you want to use. And once you obviously use the tool, it's pretty basic stuff from there on out to work out with. Now you can also set the different views for your workflows by going in, maybe your automations, for your marketing, and from here on out, you can go and design tools. Once you go in design tools, you can mess around with all the views you have on your page, all the different types of things, and it'll just improve your sales process and just make it better. So obviously we know HubSpot is a powerful tool for managing your sales process, and your sales process, which is right here. As you can go on deals, you can see you can use it to track your deals, set up tasks and reminders if you want to, and even create custom reports. So you can create deal, import deals, create custom reports if you want to. I'll also show you how to use these features to improve your sales process and close more deals. So just, go on the different views you have for your deals. You also have different pipelines that you can add, or different pipelines you can filter if you want to. You can also use HubSpot for your marketing. So we obviously saw a marketing widget up here. HubSpot is also a great tool for managing your marketing efforts. You can use it to create landing pages, emails. You can use it to create ads and even track your website analytics. So that's a pretty good thing to have in your arsenal. So you can use these features to improve your marketing efforts and generate new leads for yourself. Now you can also use HubSpot for customer service. So HubSpot for customer service, you can use it to manage your support tickets. Now you're probably wondering what support tickets are. Support tickets are basically the tickets, some widgets that clients or customers can use to get support. You can also track customer feedback and even create a knowledge base. I'll also show you how to use these features to improve customer service and keep your customers happy. And again, all you're going to do is you're going to go on service, you're going to go in tickets. Okay, and once you're in tickets, you can create different tickets and keep track issues with your customers. Create tickets and assign them to a member of your team so they can offer the right help at the right time. And again, you have different columns like your open tickets, your unassigned tickets, and much, much more. So yeah, that's basically all there is to discuss with HubSpot. It's not too complicated, not too big. It's pretty abstract and compact, and it's pretty flexible and easy to use. So yeah, that's all there is to discuss. So as we discussed, HubSpot is a powerful tool that can help you manage your customer relationships more effectively. Whether you're a salesperson, marketer, or customer service representative, HubSpot has features that can help you do your own job better. So yeah, basically that's all there is to it. Now, I hope this video was helpful to you, and I was helpful in showing you how to use HubSpot as a CRM for yourself. So, I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available, and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guide for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.